What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here. Today we got the wife, and then we got our VR4, and we got the exhaust on yesterday. Didn't mean to go ahead and install it all, but we had some old school exhaust problems, so we went ahead and this is why we changed it out. It has a hole in that. That was broke off. Like, that's how it came off. So it had a bad exhaust leak, but still ran good. But it did turn out that this is a Greddy exhaust system, or at least a Greddy muffler. But it was relatively quiet. We had to take the torch to it, but we got this new exhaust. Looks really good. Actually take it up and let you see the underneath. So we did go with the duals, which looks
better.
And I really like the burnt tip. Like, it looks real good. And then this is the 3SS or
3SX
X front pipe section. So with their high flow cat.
Swivelly head or whatever the hell.
Yep. So, but looks a lot better up under here. You excited to hear it?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna let her down and let her fire it up. There you go. What do you think?
I like it.
Better than before?
Yes. I like them loud.
Right. Let us know what you think of it. Drop a comment below. If y'all know any information about removing the transmission in these, drop a comment below or hit us up on Facebook or Instagram at Tommy Kentner. Really do like the exhaust. It does, for a V6, it does sound really good. Twin turbo. As soon as we get a good day that ain't salty and 2 inches of snow on the ground, we'll take it for a spin. That way we can get some road clips in Mexico. But hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next episode. Peace.